Okay, Rooney,
Remember this one?
how was your week with
It
that?
was just great.
Remember that one picture?
Great.
Where was that?
It's on top of the mountain.
So you're ready for your snowboarding competition?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are you gonna compete?
Slalom, giant
You need to go
slalom.
faster.
What is it?
Slalom and a giant slalom.
Giant slalom.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Go faster.
What do you mean?
You need to go really fast.
I'll be fine.
Takin. Hey, Tiani ka lang ay. Tsak, takin.
Mama, I need soda.
What do you need?
Why would you have soda, baby? No soda for Fin.
I'm acting like
Sage.
I'm acting like a human.
Oh, okay.
Opposed to what?
I
What do you not normally-
Maybe your brother Rooney can get it for you. You've been a good boy.
Matt said he had a good week. That's there or less?
Okay.
There.
Runtea versi claim na lo lian dewa. Chuwang chuan anoin a fix dona. Din a fix dan tipo. An entir veni he. Why you're so much taller than your mommy now.
Now take it off. Now you can take it off.
That?
Mom, why do you have the flash on?
It's not light enough in here.
Is there not enough light in here? Okay.
The lighting's really poor. All right.
Just weird and it's like messing with my eyes right now. Okay, so let's just get all of this junk out of the way. All of this junk is out of the way. So, you see the mark I made? With the chocolate guy right there. You want to have like, so look, see how they set it up here? So they have this give and this give. So you really just want to keep all of this, but you just want to extend this. I would give it like 2 fingers, and like right there is really where you want to make your cut.
We're
Then-
chopping this.
Yes, and then you're gonna fold inward, and we're going to flatten with the iron. Okay, does that make sense? So
Do
like,
you need an iron board?
yeah, I want you to do it. So
Grab.
okay, so 2 things that we need to do right now. We're gonna have to, yeah. You gotta just remember it has to be like this on this side. You see that?
Mm.
See how it's just like, all it is flipped over like that? But first we have to push it.
What?
Like we have to, the seam has to be inside.
Anoin an han fix dan tur an shil fiani he.
See how it was bent like that? We want it to be like that. Okay, where can we do this?
So you gonna get an iron board?
Yeah. I was gonna say this.
All right.
A little bit longer.
Yeah, probably. It's probably not expected.
What? You wanna do like the,
Tu na hian a tree
And then
det
you
dan
gotta-
tur.
I don't know how to-
Anoin an entir me bokan i hile.
oh, it would even what? You just have to go back around the other way. Oh, sorry. There's different, like I said, there's different kinds of stitches. Can I go back around?
Ole khati zong kha tu na chan chuan lo ni le se. Thank you so much. God bless.